The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for northwestern CALCASIEU Parish in southwestern Louisiana, western Beauregard Parish in southwestern Louisiana, east central Jasper County in southeastern Texas, central Newton County in southeastern Texas, until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located over Kirbyville and moving east at 50 miles per hour. In addition, at 12:15, a wind gust of 60 miles per hour was reported 7 miles west of Kirbyville. Locations impacted include Kirbyville, Maryville, Fields, Cull, DeQuincy, Bonweir, Singer, DeQuincy, Bivens, Old Salem, Trout Creek, Bancroft, Aretta, and Bleakwood. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.